On the early hours of the 23rd of May, 1991, a horrific crime shook an upstate New York farmhouse. A welfare worker's life was brutally snuffed out, riddled with bite marks, bruises, and marks of strangulation. The criminal didn't stop there. Setting the farmhouse ablaze, he aimed to erode every vestige of his heinous act. Amidst the charred, the police found a blood-stained nightgown and saliva from the victim's injuries. Enter Roy Brown, a figure who had recently tasted freedom, a bitter resentment simmering inside him for the social services agency where the victim was employed. This was the institution that had added fuel to the fire of his anger, their abysmal handling of his case driving him over the edge. In a fit of frustration, he had let slip his involvement in the crime to a former fellow inmate during a heated phone call. This unexpected admission of guilt him into the limelight of suspicion. Brown rapidly became the prime suspect. A specialized bite mark analyst was called, stating that 7 unique bite marks on the victim matched Brown, the suspect. This expert's assertion led to rampant conjecture. Astoundingly, the court wasn't informed about a different expert excluding Brown as the bite mark source, deepening the case's enigma. Post-evaluation, saliva samples from the nightshirt and corresponding bite marks were scrutinized. Still, the results remained inconclusive. In 1995, Brown, convinced of his innocence, pursued more testing on the bite mark swabs. He was informed they had been exhausted in previous examinations. The same had happened with the nightshirt saliva. Despite these hurdles, Brown remained resolute in uncovering the truth. His relentless search led him to papers linking another man, Barry Bench, who had exhibited strange behavior around the time of the murder and held a grudge against the victim. In 2003, Brown wrote to Bench, warning him that DNA evidence wouldn't stay concealed forever. He advised that this proof was bound to expose his misdeeds. This dire prophecy left Bench distressed. With anxiety looming, the clock seemed to tick faster, each second fueling his dread. His mind was a whirlwind of chaotic thoughts, his fear palpable. An uncanny silence set in, echoing the magnitude of the revelation. Only 5 days had passed since the delivery of this ominous letter when Bench made the fateful decision to step into the path of a speeding Amtrak train. In 2005, the Innocence Project took on Brown's case. This led to the discovery of a significant piece of evidence: the nightshirt. It bore 6 new saliva stains, setting the stage for further investigation. Following a year of in-depth analysis, the results were shocking. The DNA didn't belong to Brown. This revelation prompted the team to pivot their search, leading them to Barry Bench's children. Securing a DNA sample from Bench's daughter, they made an astonishing breakthrough. The daughter's DNA matched half the on the shirt, suggesting a parent-child relationship. On January 23, 2007, Roy Brown was released from prison, his innocence proven. After enduring years of struggle and maintaining unwavering faith in his own innocence, the long-awaited day arrived. Even as the world moved on, he remained resolute behind bars. The day his name was cleared was the day his spirit truly soared and his dignity restored. Roy's story kindled a nationwide dialogue on judicial fallibility. His grit and determination served as a lighthouse for the innocent, yet accused. His journey marked an end when the charges were formally dropped on March 5, 2007. The case of Roy Brown underscores the vital importance of DNA evidence in the quest for justice. It illustrates a judicial system that often shows imperfections. A blameless man, entangled in a web of false accusations, confronted the horrifying prospect of unjust punishment. His case serves as a stark warning of the failures that can transpire within our legal system. Yet it also illuminates the unfaltering pursuit of facts, justice, and vindication, emphasizing the role of steadfast determination in uncovering the truth. Indeed, it is a chilling reminder of how easily the innocent can be condemned, and how dogged determination can unearth the truth.